Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make like a skillet soup. I use ground pork and ground chicken for this, but you can really use whatever you want. It's delicious, it's easy, it's in a skillet, so you do most of the work in one pan. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we do. As always, if you like the video, big thumbs up are really appreciated. And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that button down below. All right, guys, thanks. Bye.